again. And as you read by the title, today I'm gonna be again sharing with you another collection from Birom Cosmetics. Yes, it's their latest launch, their Pearl Nail Polish collection. Now again, it's not gonna be a swatch and review video. If you want swatches of those 10 gorgeous vibrant shades, you got to follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, I'll mention the handle somewhere. Go follow me there. Those swatches really came out really good. Those swatches came out really good. Whatever, those swatches came out really good. In today's video, I'm gonna be putting these polishes to test for water marbling, whether these polishes can water marble. Yes, I got asked this question quite a lot in those swatches and everything. So I thought, let's do it. Let's see if these polishes water marble or not. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Before jumping into the testing part, I just want to give a tiny little overview of this whole collection in case you're not familiar what I'm talking about. So as I mentioned, this collection Birom launched like last month only, and it has like 10 gorgeous vibrant shade with pearlized finish, hence the name Pearl Nail Polish collection, right? So it comes in this cardboard packaging, beige color with pearl design all over it. Now it's their new packaging, glass bottle, and the name and the number of the polish is mentioned at the bottom of the bottle, which is a great plus. Because I really like if the polish name and number is mentioned on the bottle rather than packaging. So that's a big plus from my side. Now you get 10 ml of product for 299 rupees, and you can buy them at Amazon, of course. Now I'll mention the direct link of the product down in the description box below, and no, it's not affiliated. Now as the previous collection, this collection also has that wide flat brush which makes it like really easy to apply the polish in like minimum brush strokes, and a neat application around cuticles. Since they're pearlized finish, it's like really necessary to apply the polish in minimum brush stroke. So this white brush like helps a lot. And yes, of course, agitator balls to keep the polish well mixed at all times. And again guys, they are at a great discount right now. So if you want to save some money, get them now. Now I guess this is enough of an intro. Let's directly jump into the testing part, which we all are waiting for. So let's go. Here are all the 10 shades from the Pearl collection. Now what my plan is ki I'm gonna be dividing these 10 polishes into 2 pairs, so that way there will be like 5 pairs for 5 fingernails. So I'm gonna be making like a classic flower petal water marble design, and each of my fingernail will have that design in 2 different colors. I hope that makes sense. Well, if not, then just continue watching the video and it will all start making sense. Yeah, that's for sure. So let's get started. Here are my nails. Yes, they are of a different shape now. They are almond now. If you have not seen the video where I've shown you how I converted or transformed my nails from square to almond, I'll link it up in the cards, also in the description box below. Go check it out. This is the very first time like I'm sporting almond shape, and I'm really happy about it. So I've already prepped my nails for the base coat. I've used Birom ka smoothing base coat. I love that base coat, guys. Again, I have a review of it on my YouTube. So again, that video will be down in the description box below. And I've applied a single coat of Pearl of Purity as it will act as a white base for other colors to pop. So yeah, preparation all done. And yes, as I go one by one with each nail, I'm gonna be loading it up with some liquid latex because water marble is messy, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. And let's start with the index finger first. For the index fingernail, I've chosen 801 Pearl of Purity and 804 Pearl of Romance. Okay, so here is my paper cup filled with room temperature water for water marbling, and this is the moment of truth when we'll know whether these Pearl collection polishes by Birom actually water marbles or not, and if this whole preparation is a waste of time or not. So without making you wait any further, here I drop the very first drop. Oh my god guys, 8 water marbles. It does water marbles. Okay, I'm not that surprised because I already tested it out. But that was my reaction when I first tested it out. So, there you go. Now let's make the bullseye and then we'll make the beautiful, gorgeous, classic flower petal design. Bullseye is all done. And now let's make the flower petal design. Time to dip in the nail. And here is the water marble. For my middle finger, I've chosen 802 Sunshine Pearl and 805 Wisdom Pearl. I'm gonna be fast forwarding this whole process and I'll catch you once I have the water marble. And here is the water marble. Okay guys, so here is the finished water marble. Now I do have a few things to say about it if you are also planning to buy this collection and start water marbling. The only thing I'll say is that these polishes don't spread like normal creme polishes, and also they tend to break apart, separate and create gaps while they are in water. Here you can see on my thumbnail that white streak. That is because the polishes like kind of separated, the petals kind of separated in the water, creating this gap. So yeah, that's one problem with pearlized finished polishes. And the other thing I'll say is that since these polishes don't spread like normal creme polishes, the inner circles of the bullseye are very thick and wet. So as soon as you're done creating the design, directly don't go in with the dipping. Wait for a bit, either blow on the design to dry it and then only then go in with the dipping, because if you directly and immediately go in with the dipping now, it will like the colors will mesh together and create a stupid blob on your nails and nothing else. So yeah, that's two things that I'll mention over here. Now I'm gonna be doing some surgery, filling in some colors where I can see some white spots, especially on my thumbnail. And yeah, after that we'll see some Insta shots. So yes guys, these polishes really water marble. Now there are some cons with pearlized finish polishes as compared to normal creme polishes, but yeah, I'm gonna be using them for a lot more water marbling in the future as well. So if you want to see the designs and everything, keep a watch on my Instagram feed. Like another polished brand added to the list of water marbling polishes, and I'm really happy about it. Okay, also let me know in the comments down below if you have tried water marbling with these polishes or any other brand you love for water marbling which I'm not aware of. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to stay notified for new videos. And as I always say guys, maintain social distancing, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.